Daily conversation. During breakfast. Magandang umaga anak. Kamusta ang tulog mo? Good morning son. How's your sleep? Magandang umaga din po nay. Ayos lang po ang tulog ko. Good morning too mom. I had a good sleep. Mabuti naman kung ganoon. Anong gusto mong kainin? That's great. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Magkakape lang po ako, Nay. I'll just drink a coffee, Mom. Masama iyan sa katawan, anak. Dapat mag-agahan ka. Importante ang almusal sa umaga. It's not good. You should eat breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day. Wala po kasi akong ganang kumain. I have no appetite. Kumain ka na. Nagluto ako ng paborito mo. You should eat. I cook your favorite food. Sige na nga, Nay. Papaano pa ako tatanggi niyan? Alright then, how could I say no to my mom? Tama yan. Papasok ka ba sa trabaho ngayon? Good. Are you going to work today? Hindi po, Nay, pero may lakad po ako ngayon. No, Mom, but I have some errands to do. Ganoon ba? Kaya kailangan mo talagang mag-agahan. So, you really need to have a breakfast. Salamat, Nay, sa masarap na agahan. Thanks, Mom, for the delicious breakfast. Normal naman iyon, nanay mo ako eh. It's normal, I'm your mother. Tapos na po ako, Nay. Maliligo na po ako. I'm done, Mom. I'll take a shower now. Sige anak, ako na bahala magligpit ng pinagkainan. Alright son, I'll do the dishes.